So now you've completed this, and now we're going to move on to the next thing. So now for the very first month, you already set a goal. So I want you to copy, highlight and copy whatever that goal was. And then you're going to click on month one's section so that you can fill everything out. So paste that goal here. You're going to just paste it here. And then over here, what are some final deliverables that should be complete if you hit this goal? What would you have completed? The high level like milestones that will be completed if you hit this goal. So make sure you bullet those out or put a list of those so that you can check them off as you complete them. Down here, you're going to put the actions that are only necessary for you to hit that goal and what week it needs to be done. And so is it week 1? Is it something that's every single week? Is it, whatever? And then make sure you grab the month. So this would be July because this is Q3, month 1. Obviously, it's not going to be complete yet, and obviously you don't have a completion date, but you're going to list out all of the very necessary actions that must be taken and specify which week it needs to be done in. And then this next section, before you commit to this plan, which is this stuff here, you need to ask yourself these 2 questions and make sure you answer them. What will you struggle with to take these actions that are up here? So type in your struggles line by line, and then what will you do to overcome each of these struggles? This is important because, and I talked about this in the little training that precedes this whole exercise, is that when you do your weekly accountability meetings with your peers, you need to know ahead of time what you're probably going to struggle with so you can mentally prepare, and then what you're going to do to overcome those struggles right now so that you can proactively prevent yourself from having them. However, when you go in your weekly accountability meetings, if you still ended up struggling to get it done, and one of your peers asks you, well, what are you going to do differently next time? You're going to know, I should have done this thing because I already planned for this. This is preventing you from confusion when the time comes. Next thing is lead and lag indicators. Lag indicators are the end results, things like the income, the sales. This represents just end results that you're working toward. This is usually has to do with your goal. I want to lose 15 pounds. I want to have a $10,000 month. I want to sell out my offer by getting 6 people, whatever it is. You're going to list these lead and lag indicators. So the lag indicators is, again, the aftermath. The lead indicators are all the activities that you need to be doing that will show that, all the indications of what is showing that results are happening. So if you were launching, the number of calls or referrals you got are good lead indicators to your sales process. Lead indicators essentially just measure that you executed what you said. So if you were posting every single day for a week, you should see your engagement increase, your followers should grow, whatever. If you were exercising for a week and eating healthy, you should be losing inches. You should feel like you have more energy. Like those are lead indicators that tell you that you're doing something right. So there's a space for you to do lead indicators. It's like any other bullet thing. You just do tab to get the inside bullets. So do your lead indicators and lag indicators. And then lastly, this stuff will automatically be filled in for you as you move along. So don't worry about any of this stuff. It will be filled in for you as you complete things and put things and assign them to certain months and certain weeks. Like I already have these things waiting for you. All you need to do is make sure that you are... all you need to do is make sure you set the filters. So for this particular one, since this is your Q3 weekly actions, you're just going to make sure that the month is July. So you're going to select that. And then over here, kind of the same thing. You want to make sure that it's only showing you stuff for the month of the months that matters that you want to see. So in this case, it's just July. And then and then over here, yeah, that's all you need to do. Okay. So now, once you're done with all of this page, then I'm going to show you what you're going to be doing on a weekly basis, which you'll have access to your weeks here.